Welcome to Align Trading, going over today's SPY recap and live analysis before going over what to be watching into tomorrow. Going to be a little bit shorter of a video today, not going to go over everything. So my apologies, but we'll make sure that you understand what to be looking for tomorrow. First thing here in the morning in the pre-market brief for Discord members, I explained that you had to be watching for the blue and yellow controlled selling for the continuation within purple as well. And you can see here in the morning how we have this yellow and blue algorithm. Now there's not much of a structure right here, right? Not much of anything like that, but you see how within that purple, right, we get that buying continuation, and then here with that yellow and blue algorithm, once again, we actually do form some structure here at the end of the day and see that push within that purple continuation once again. Now we will go over this on the 1 minute chart and the microstructure, but there was no reason to be shorting this, and I explained that if you were looking for the short, what you needed to see was this head and shoulder forming right here, and in the case that that started to form, you could look for the downside, but never formed, and you'll see, as well as right that purple continuation. So now here on the 1 minute chart, going over the microstructure and algorithms, as you can see here in the morning, it is very choppy, but we are grinding higher slowly until we finally start getting this breakout of this red algorithm right here. Now, I explained that if you are looking to short this, we need to be seeing this head and shoulder forming, this inverse cup, right? Something like that. This larger one, which never forms, not once, right? Even up here, if you're still trying to short this, right? This doesn't form, let alone the larger one. And you can see how we are just continuing within the blue and yellow controlled selling with these inverse head and shoulders right here on the way up, right? And seeing this continuation as well as being within this white algorithm right here. We start to break out of this red. So from that point, right, you can see that as I'm explaining, we're never forming anything in order for you to short this with tapering. And you see how with the blue controlled selling, we just continue moving up, right? Same thing right here on the way up, inverse head and shoulder, just continue moving higher. Now, at this point right here, I explained that you have to be paying attention for this controlled selling right here. And if we want to start forming a larger structure, be paying attention to that. And you see how this inverse head and shoulder starts to form, and we get this move up here towards the end of the day. Now with this as well, I explained that this on the 30-minute chart was this blue and yellow controlled selling algorithm right here, and to be watching for that inverse head and shoulder, which we got. Now personally, I did not get involved in the morning. This was too choppy. Nothing that I was looking to enter, even though we did continue higher. I was looking for something like this to be forming, or maybe, right, a larger pullback, something like that, and then get involved, but just did not get involved, missed my opportunity. So all good, it happens. Just was not my day. Now going over what to be watching into tomorrow. So right, we have this continuation right here, and if we do want to watch this blue and yellow controlled selling once again, look for the continuation within that purple algorithm. Now, if we do want to head down, as there is CPI in the morning, pay attention if we do start to form something like this, as we do have all of this liquidity right here, and something like this could start to form. So just be paying attention to that. Now on the daily chart here, right, we have reached this upper Bollinger Band. I talked about this in yesterday's video with how these two moving averages were right here. A big move could happen. Now personally, did not see this coming until CPI, but in the case that CPI is good as well tomorrow, maybe we see another extended part of the rally slightly above the upper Bollinger before we start to see some sort of move back down. But that is all that I have for the video today, so thank you everyone for watching, and I will see members in the morning.